Hey everyone, I'm John and welcome to Williamsburg. Alright guys, so we're going to be going for a little walk down to Domino Park. I've never been there. It's going to be cool. I know there's excellent stuff to see, and we're going to see what we can see. There's supposed to be like artifacts of the old Domino Sugar plant. So we're going to check that out. Maybe set up the tripod. So stay till the end of the video because I'm going to see if I can catch a good sunset and then a nice skyline shot this evening. So alright, so check this out. We're walking up the gantry crane, top of this little ramp thing. I think there's a catwalk that we can kind of go by, which is cool too. All right, so this is Domino Park, guys. I am on top of a catwalk, just kind of making our way down to the Williamsburg Bridge. Behind me, that's the refinery offices. They're doing a rehabilitation on that building. They've been doing it for years, actually. But yeah, this refinery's been here since the mid 1800s, and it just closed in the early 2000s. At one point, the Domino Sugar Company produced 98% of the world's refined sugar. It's pretty amazing. The sugar industry really is what developed the Williamsburg Waterfront here, because it had tons of employees and other businesses that were related. You know, candy makers, the burlap sack guys, transportation, rail, and on the water. Domino Sugar was a huge part of the growth of this part of Brooklyn and New York City. Alright guys, so just to give you some stats, it is 6 p.m. straight up on a Thursday evening. It's like the first Thursday in September, and it's hot, it's muggy, it's hot. I'm trying to pull up the weather here. It's 88 degrees, feels like 90 something. So yeah, it's really humid too. So it's kind of steamy. You can see, I don't know what the sunset's gonna look like tonight. So that's the Williamsburg Bridge closest to us, and then the Manhattan Bridge, and then the Brooklyn Bridge beyond that. So you can see all three of the East River crossings from Brooklyn to Manhattan from right here. Jet ski guy. Oh, this is cool. All right, so check this out. These things are boiling tanks. It was really, really messy job refining sugar. It involved heat. It involved water, it involved pounding granules of sugar into smaller pieces of sugar. It was just messy, it was dangerous. But, oh, look at that. Check that shit out. That's cool. Look at this thing. It's all gnarly looking. Oh wow, this guy's got skills. Oh, neat. Alright everyone, so I am in low battery mode on my phone. I've got my cameras over there set up for the sunset. I'll put those at the end. Just want to thank you all for taking a little walk with me down here at Domino Park. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Why not? It's free. It's easy. I do it all the time. And look, I'm here in New York City. If there's any landmarks or neighborhoods or anything like that you might want to see, just leave me a comment down below and I'll be happy to put it on the list and see what you guys want to do. I love New York City. I hope you do too. And until next time, I'm John. Bye-bye.